objective: identify the main component, explain the blood flow, differentiative type of circulatory system, recognize circular system. An overview of how the bodies move nutrients and gases. The body moves nutrients and gases through the K system and circulatory system and the digestive system.
For you, what is circulation? So circulation is ang daloy sa atong dugo gamit ang mga ugat. Ang purpose nani is makatutug oxygens and nutrients nga needed kayo sa atong lawas. And also, circulation is pagawas siya sa atong mga waste products like carbon dioxides. There are components of circulatory system. First is heart. Heart is gapam siya og dugo. So every pump niya is dala niya ang dugo padulong sa tibok lawas. And second is blood vessels. Blood vessels is ugat nga nagdala ug naghatod sa dugo nga gikan sa heart to every part of our body. Then ang blood vessels is naa siya components: the artery, veins, and capillaries. Artery is ang nagdala sa dugo gikan sa kasing-kasing so atong padulong sa atong mga organs. While the veins is gadala siya dugo nga gikan sa atong mga organs padulong or pabalik sa atong hearts. And the capillaries is siya ang mga ugat nga ga-help to exchange oxygens, nutrients, and waste products sa mga cells. Last components of the circulatory system is the blood. Gadala siya og nutrients, oxygens, and waste product sa body, and it has four components: the red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells is ga-carry og oxygen from our lungs to tissues and organs, while white blood cells is gatabang siya sa lawas to defense in any infections. Ang platelets is gatabang siya sa usa ka samad nga dali lang maulian, while the plasma is carries water, nutrients, hormones, and waste products to the whole body.
There are two types of circulatory system: open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system is involved hypos moving freely within body cavities with lower pressures and slower nutrients transport. Closed circulatory system features a network of vessels maintaining higher measures and efficient faster transport of blood and nutrients. The heart structures and functions. The heart is a muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It has four chambers: two upper chambers called atria and two lower chambers called ventricles. Blood comes into the right atrium from the body, moves into the right ventricles, and it pushes into the pulmonary arteries. In the lungs, after picking up oxygen, the body travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium, to the left ventricles, and out to the body tissues through the aorta. Oxygen carrying blood from the lungs enter the left atrium. Blood. It pushed into the left ventricles and start its journey again through the body.
So now let's take a look at three types of blood vessels. First is we have artery, capillaries, and vein. First we have artery. An artery is a type blood vessel that carries oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the rest of the body. Arteries have thick elastic walls to handle the high pressure of blood being pumped from the heart. The largest artery in the body is the aorta, which branches out into smaller arteries to supply blood to different organs. And capillary. Capillaries are delicate blood vessels that exist throughout your body. They transport blood, nutrients, and oxygen to cells in your organs and body systems. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in your vascular system. So here's the last one, vein. Veins are blood vessels located throughout your body that collect oxygen for blood and return it to your heart. Veins are part of your circulatory systems. They work together with other blood vessels and your heart to keep your blood moving. Veins hold of the blood in your body. That's all. Thank you.
What is systemic versus pulmonary circulation? Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation are two main components of the circulatory system, but they serve different purposes.
Oxygen system essential for producing energy in cells and is transported by the circulatory system to ensure that all tissues have the oxygen they needed to function properly. Circulatory system essential for keeping our organs and tissues healthy, supporting immune response, and maintaining homeostasis. Circulation in other animals refers to the movement of fluids, such as blood or hemolysis, those their bodies of transport oxygen, nutrients, and waste products. The mechanism of circulation vary widely across the animal kingdom depending on the complex and need of the organism. There are three types of heart disease. Atherosclerosis is a common condition that develops when the sticky substance called plaque builds up inside your artery. Hypertension is a heart disease include problems with your heart that can develop if you have high blood pressure. Heart attack, also known as a myocardial infarction, happen when the flow of blood that brings oxygen to the part of your heart muscular suddenly become blocked. Here is the part of the heart.